So this is gonna be the unboxing of the stage 3 clutch for the 350Z. I paid, I don't really remember how much I paid for this. Wasn't even not even $300. Should be a 6-puck clutch with a heavy duty pressure plate and a flywheel. I'm really not expecting that much from this because, I mean, it's pretty cheap. But okay, there's some oil here. Okay, that's cool. I mean, not cool, but whatever. Like I said, I'm not really expecting a high quality product, but I've had eBay clutches before. And they have worked just fine. So, clutch max, instructions, whatever. Ooh, came with the sticker. That's pretty cool. Instructions, whatever, okay. Tool alignment clutch, wrapped in plastic, I don't know why. Okay. See the pressure plate. I want to be honest, it looks pretty legit. It does look pretty legit. 6-puck sprung clutch, because I don't want to run an unsprung clutch in my car. Plastic, whatever. Yeah, just another 6-puck clutch. And now the good part, flywheel. Oh wait, it comes with a, this should be either release, clutch release bearing. Yep. I'm gonna install that part. I don't really know how good it's gonna be, but whatever. And, flywheel. There you go. Should be a 1-piece. Yep. 1-piece flywheel. Should be lightweight. Mating surface looks pretty good. I mean, this overall looks like a really good quality flywheel. That's pretty cool. And yeah, that's all comes with a clutch kit. Yeah, it's a pretty nice looking flywheel. Well, there you go. That's the unboxing of the Clutch Max Stage 3 for the Nissan 350Z. Thank you for watching, guys.